Primetime news tonight. Damage control. Central bank intervenes for the second time to offset foreign exchange volatility. Murder on campus. Yui Mona stunned as body found near iconic chapel. Divine intervention. Stakeholders in Portland pray for peace amid uptick in serious crime. Locked up for 23 years without conviction. Family of St. Thomas man blasts justice system.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I am Janela Precious. Also in this newscast, the business news, and Herman Green is here with a preview. Herman.
Thanks, Janela. This evening we're looking at the real estate market, the challenges involved in home ownership, acquiring a mortgage, rent, and even real estate as an investment. We have that in the business day.
From Herman Green to Jordan Fort with the sporting headlines.
Yes, Archie, and some noted former English cricketers have weighed in on Jason Holder's suspension for a slow overrate for the third test between the West Indies and England. I'll tell you more about that in Primetime Sports Monday.
There's also sports commentary and weather in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
This evening we're asking what else could be done to deal with a dengue outbreak.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. The news in detail right after this break.